Google just turned NotebookLM into something most people still think is just a PDF reader. And that misunderstanding is costing solo operators about $40 a month in subscription fees they don't need to be paying. You upload one source. The tool spits out 9 different content formats simultaneously. 60-second vertical videos, full slide decks, infographics, audio overviews, all from the same upload. And at the very end, I'm going to show you the one integration that actually makes this autonomous. Not maybe autonomous, fully autonomous. You're going to want to stick around for that. I'm Paul James. I teach solo operators how to build service businesses using free AI tools instead of expensive platforms. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's the thing. Most social content creation platforms charge you somewhere between $20 and $40 a month just to turn one piece of content into multiple formats. You're paying that before you've landed your first client, before you've delivered your first piece of work, before you've seen a single invoice. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $40 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived wasn't something I could absorb. That's exactly why tools like NotebookLM matter. And it's funny, the tools that get pushed the hardest in this space always seem to have the biggest commissions behind them. Just something to think about. Google's NotebookLM gives you the same multi-format capability for free. That's the whole game. What I'm calling the Single Source Multiplier. You upload your source material once, a PDF, a website URL, a YouTube link, Google Drive files, even live web search results, and NotebookLM transforms that single input into every content format you'd normally pay separate platforms to create. Audio overviews, video summaries, slide decks, infographics, data tables, flashcards, mind maps, reports, all generated simultaneously from one upload. Most platforms lock you into their ecosystem and charge you monthly for each output type. This gives you the entire stack for $0. Let me show you how this actually runs. You start by uploading your source. Let's say you're working with a client PDF, a competitor website, and a YouTube video about their industry. NotebookLM accepts all 3 at once. Every answer it gives you comes with full citations. It shows you exactly which source each statement came from. You've got 2 research modes. Fast research takes 10 to 20 seconds. Deep research takes a few minutes but reads hundreds of sources. I ran a test query and it returned 32 cited sources plus 38 additional sources it read but didn't cite. That's 70 total sources analyzed in under 3 minutes. Now here's what changes for someone running social media content creation as a service. 1 research session, 1 source set uploaded, and you walk away with 9 different deliverables ready to go. A 60-second vertical video summarizing the research. That feature alone used to cost people hundreds of dollars per video through paid platforms. A full slide deck with brand guidelines, 25 slides exported as PDF, PowerPoint, or Google Slides. An infographic in about 10 different style options, including bento grid layouts, audio overviews in multiple formats, brief, critique, debate, deep dive. Data tables you can export straight to Google Sheets. That's a week's worth of client content built in one afternoon, and the tool costs nothing to run. Let me keep building. Here's another way to think about it. Most clients don't actually want more content. They want their existing knowledge turned into content they can publish everywhere. That's exactly what NotebookLM is doing. 1 research session becomes a video for YouTube Shorts, a carousel for LinkedIn, an infographic for Instagram, an audio overview for a podcast, and a slide deck for a sales presentation. Instead of asking a client to create 5 different pieces of content from scratch, you're multiplying what they already have. That's easier for them, faster for you, and much easier to package as a recurring monthly service. You can customize the chat goals, research mode, learning mode, different perspectives mode, adjust answer length, set custom instructions, multiple language support, over 100 built-in skills. And here's where it gets actually useful for someone running a real service business. It has a built-in computational environment that writes and executes real code. I fed it messy sales data with mixed currencies. It cleaned the data and generated a monthly sales chart covering January through June. Most platforms charge you just to have that capability sitting idle. This runs it for free every time. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Now, most people take what I just showed you and stop at the audio overview. That's where it falls apart. There's one layer most people never touch, and that's the difference between someone who gets real clients and someone who just tried it once. Give me 60 seconds. Think about offering social media content creation to a local law firm. They need LinkedIn posts, Instagram carousels, YouTube shorts, email, newsletter content. You upload their last 3 blog posts and their competitor's website into NotebookLM. You generate the 60-second vertical video first. That's their YouTube short. Then you pull the slide deck. That becomes a LinkedIn carousel. The infographic goes to Instagram. The audio overview becomes the foundation for their newsletter. You charge them $400 for the package. Most multi-format content platforms charge $30 to $40 a month just to have the tools. Your version runs on NotebookLM for free. Or think about custom knowledge bases. A plumbing company wants to train new hires on their processes. You take 20 of their internal documents and upload them into NotebookLM. The tool creates a custom mentor notebook by aggregating all that content. New employees can ask questions and get cited answers pulled directly from company materials. You charge a setup fee of $300 and a small monthly retainer to maintain it. Most knowledge-based platforms start at $50 a month minimum. That's the subscription tax your client isn't paying because you built it on free infrastructure. Another opportunity is client reporting. Marketing agencies and consultants spend hours every month turning campaign results into presentations clients can understand. Instead of manually building slides and charts, upload the campaign reports into NotebookLM. Generate a presentation for the monthly meeting, an infographic showing the highlights, and an audio summary the client can listen to on the way to work. You're delivering the same information in multiple formats without recreating it from scratch. Clients see a more professional service while you spend far less time preparing reports. Another service is sales enablement. Imagine a software company that hosts one webinar every month. Instead of letting that recording sit in a folder, upload it into NotebookLM. Generate a sales presentation for the team, a FAQ document answering the most common customer questions, short video clips for social media, and an audio recap for new employees. One webinar becomes training material, marketing content, and sales resources without anyone recreating it manually. That's the kind of service clients happily pay for because you're helping them get more value from content they already invested time creating. Here's a solo operator running social content for 3 local gyms. She uploads each gym's website, their Google reviews, and 1 competitor analysis per location. NotebookLM generates the research. She pulls the video summaries for each gym's Instagram. The slide decks become Facebook carousels. The infographics go out as lead magnets. She's charging each gym $250 a month. That's $750 total. The tool handling all the multi-format creation costs her nothing. The platforms that do the same thing would eat $40 of that monthly before she touched a client file. This also makes it much easier to scale. The first client might take you an hour because you're learning the workflow. The second client is faster. By the 5th or 6th client, you're following the same repeatable process every time. Upload the sources, review the outputs, make a few client-specific edits, and deliver. You're not working longer hours. You're building a system that lets you handle more clients with the same amount of effort. That's where solo operators start competing with much larger agencies. This is the open loop I seeded at the start, the integration nobody talks about. There's a third-party connector that lets Claude control NotebookLM through plain English commands. You don't write code, you tell Claude what you want, it executes everything autonomously. I told Claude to create a new notebook, run deep web research on AI's impact on jobs, import multiple industry reports, and generate comparison charts across sectors showing risk levels and job market outlook. Claude did all of it, 0 manual steps. The important part isn't that Claude is doing the clicking, it's that you're removing repetitive work from your day. Once you've built the workflow, every new client follows the same process. You're reviewing and improving the final deliverables instead of spending hours creating each one manually. That's where the real leverage comes from. Most automation platforms charge you monthly just to connect 2 tools. This runs through Claude's API for pennies. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you've got this running in your stack. You're not paying $40 a month to a social content platform. You're not subscribed to 3 different tools to cover video, slides, and infographics. You upload once, you export to every format your client needs, and you're keeping that $40 delta every single month because the tool handling the work costs nothing. That's really the shift Google is enabling here. You're no longer creating every deliverable one at a time. You're building systems that take one source of information and turn it into everything your client needs. The more clients you serve, the more valuable that workflow becomes because you're repeating a proven process instead of reinventing it for every project. That's how solo operators start delivering agency-level work without building an agency. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.